Dow Jones futures will open Sunday evening, along with S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq futures. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, BRKB, reported strong earnings and cash growth, with the billionaire investor expecting further increases during the company's annual shareholder meeting. The stock market rally had a strong week, with the Nasdaq punching above a key level thanks to a tame jobs report and rebounding Apple, AAPL. Nvidia, NVDA, regained a key level, flashing an early buy signal Friday, recovering from a midweek slide. Palantir Technologies, PLTR, Astro Labs, ALAB, Arista Networks, ANET, Datadog, DDOG, and Constellation Energy, CEG, all have earnings on tap. All are AI-related plays that are setting up. Nvidia stock is on IBD leaderboard, Swing Trader, and the IBD 50. Alab stock is on the leaderboard watch list. Berkshire's operating earnings jumped 39% in the first quarter versus a year earlier. Revenue rose 5% to $89.87 billion. Both beat estimates. The conglomerate bought $2.6 billion of its own shares in the quarter. Berkshire's cash swelled to a fresh record of $188.99 billion, up from Q4's $167.6 billion and Q3's $157.2 billion. Buffett, speaking at Berkshire's annual shareholder meeting, expects modest earnings growth for the full year and sees cash levels hitting $200 billion by the end of Q2. Berkshire cut its massive Apple stake for a second straight quarter. It reported its Apple stake was worth $135.4 billion, signaling a 13% decline in shares held to about 790 million. In Q4, Berkshire trimmed its Apple stake by 10 million shares. Buffett said he expects Apple stock to remain Berkshire's top holding. Berkshire stock edged down 0.3% last week to 400.60, below the 50-day line. BRKB stock has a 430 flat base buy point. Investors could use a decisive move above the 50-day that could offer an early entry. Dow Jones futures today. Dow Jones futures open at 6 p.m. Eastern Time on Sunday, along with S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures. Remember that overnight action in Dow futures and elsewhere doesn't necessarily translate into actual trading in the next regular stock market session.